Welcome to our Week 8 lecture for Team Management. My name is John Scott and I'm your lecturer for this subject. Today we're looking at Topic 4, Communication between the team and other stakeholders. And this particular lecture focuses very much on the definition and quality of leadership. And leadership can be defined as the capacity to establish direction and to influence and align others towards a common goal, motivating and committing them to action and making them responsible for their performance. In other words, leadership is about setting direction and then encouraging others to find the pathway that best suits them as a team in order to achieve the goal. And that pathway, after that broad direction is set by the leader and the goal established, is very much dependent on input from each team member. To enable that process of contribution by the team in setting a pathway to follow the broad direction and the goal of the team leader, it's important that the leader be honest, have a vision, be forward-looking, to be competent in what they do, to be able to inspire, to be fair and broad-minded, open to possibilities, to have the fortitude to be able to handle problems as they arise, to be straightforward in their manner towards team members, and to be open to possibility and to be imaginative. Those type of leaders are more able to allow teams to determine pathways and to encourage them to move ahead to achieve the goal. So principles relating to leadership involve proficiency. It's a genuine desire to seek self-improvement and improvement in team members. A leader accepts responsibility, but in allowing team members to choose the pathway to achieve the goal, shares that accountability with the team for achieving the goal. They lead by example. They demonstrate caring for subordinates by listening and providing the resources that are needed to achieve the goal. They're interested in developing the potential of their team members. They can be called on to make timely decisions. They can challenge their own abilities and challenge the team, but in a positive way. And they are very good at facilitating communication and keeping the team fully informed of developments. So there's 4 types of leadership styles, which are described here as telling, selling, participating, and delegating. And all 4 can be appropriate depending on the level of support and guidance that is required. But when there's high guidance and low support required, instructions tend to be given because the team is unwilling to contribute to the pathway ahead. But if high guidance and high support is required because the team is confident and willing but may not have the resources, then we need to explain decisions, and that's when a selling style of leadership is more appropriate. When low guidance and high support is required, the leader could engage team members by a participative style, sharing ideas. The team is able, but they may lack confidence. They may not be quite willing, and so the leader facilitates the path ahead by participating with team members in choosing the appropriate direction. And then when low support and low guidance is required, there's an opportunity for team members to take accountability of decisions, to feel fully empowered because they're able, willing, and confident to make decisions. And that's when a delegative style of leadership is preferred. And that concludes our week 8 lecture.